Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a spoof where I'm going to be opening a squishy package, but they're actually just my squishies. I can't actually order squishies, but soon I will be. I did order one squishy, three squishies, 3 breads, so I might make a video on that. So yeah, let's get started. Yeah. Hi guys, I'm super excited of my squishy package. I ordered about 11 things, I think. 8 things. So yeah, let me look at the care sheet, or the sheet. So right here, it says the squishies I got, so let's go in, and I got 2 duplicates. I think I found them. So the first thing I got is this ice cream. Just look at how slow racing. Like, oh my gosh. So there's that one. And the second one is also one. This one's a lot more soft and slow rising, so sorry about the noise in the background. Yeah. Super soft and slow rising. Just look at that face. Just look at that. So yeah. Now that's the next ones. Oh, I got the 2 other duplicates, and there's one that's softer too. So sorry about that, guys. This is the softer one of the popcorn. The harder one. Wait, is it? Yeah, this is the harder one. Super surprising, but the other one's gonna be more surprising. Super soft. Hello, please subscribe. So those are the twins. Let's get the next one. Oh, and guys, it's in this box. Okay, so the next one is this cute little coffee. It's got an air bubble right there, but that's okay. So the softer ice cream cone is my favorite so far. And they smell good too. Ooh, this one's a little bit harder than the other ones. It's dense. But it's this cute little Hello Kitty squishy. Hello Kitty donut. Pretty slurring. This is a real stress reliever. So let's get the last 2 things. This one's so soft. No joke. So soft. And it's a little cat. Oh my gosh. Okay, take your time. I kind of don't even want to squish this. It's vanilla scented. Okay, this is the last one too. Last one. This has to be my giant pink strawberry, so let's see. So awesome. And jumbo. Do you guys see that? Like, shook. So, oh, it smells good. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. All the squishies, and that strawberry is still rising. Like, but if you want me to make more videos like this one of me actually opening a squishy package, sorry, I'm in my pajamas, then I will be delighted to do that because I have some squishies coming in. So, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, almost forgot. If you want more stuff like this, comment down below, and comment down below what other videos I should make. Sorry, the light is really bad. So, yeah.